Got here a pair of Louis Vuitton sneaker type slash shoes. They're cool shoes, right? Oops. Yep. Even the good brands usually tend to come apart over time. Not very good quality, I'm afraid. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace that sole with something like that. Now the trick to this is that you've got to be able to find something that fits that shoe exactly. And we got lucky, we found this one. So once the sole gets removed, the new one gets put on. Now we're going to stitch the edges right here. We're going to hand stitch it all the way around with a little bit lighter color thread to kind of dress it up a little bit, similar to what she had before. But unfortunately, we couldn't find anything close to what she had, which is the tannish color, so we opt with a black. Now she's got black laces, so I think that'll go real good with the new soles. Alright, let's get started. Here we have Mr. T stitching the soles on. This is called a jerk needle. Basically, it's a needle. It's a needle with the hook at the end. So you put that through the shoe, and you pull out the inside thread. Make a loop, pull the other one through, and tighten it down. And the knot's got to be right in between the sole and the shoe, so it works. And once we're done, we're going to put a little bit of color onto the thread here to see if we can blend that in with the original color. Alright, welcome back. We're done with this project. That's not too bad. I think it turned out pretty good. So it isn't an original LV sole, but unfortunately the manufacturers, they don't make parts aftermarket for us to buy and to replace. It's an Italian product called SVIG, which is a pretty good product, and it's rubber. So basically the old sole is a polyurethane. It's not a very good material, unfortunately, and has a life expectancy, shelf life, let's say, anywhere to 5 to 8 years. And after that, it literally just starts crumbling, just like it did on the shoes. So she won't have this problem anymore. This will last for many years to come. All right. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you again next time. Take care.